Here we go. There we are. Good job. Here we go, Mike Anderson. I tell you, the airbag is the best thing in town for freestyle motocross. Those guys, I thought it was almost indestructible, but this past week it's not turned out to be the worst. Here we go. What happens is they come a little bit short and they get the back of the bag and just catapult them right over. I never really thought about that before, but it's been happening. It's funny, the electric doesn't make noise, but you can actually hear it run. This morning, these tracks sound like a roller coaster. When I went out the ramp, it sounded like roller coaster out there. The same thing going off the ramp, it's going to have the noise going around it. Here we go. Instead of the whole run you started halfway, that's how much torque the electric motor has. I don't know if it's a thing of the future. I'm not sure it's out, but it's okay. Here we go. You wouldn't believe how much coordination it takes to do that. We are. All right, Mike Anderson again. Side kick. I personally just couldn't imagine taking my feet off the pedal and reaching out over that way. That's side flying when you say. Nothing yet. Keep your cameras ready, so we'll have to see some good action here shortly. I'll let you know. For your right. All right. Are we ready? Your cameras ready. How are you? Good to see you. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, like that electric motorcycle is pretty impressive. I still like the noise. I like the smell of the fumes. I just like fumes. Are we having a good time yet? Yeah, give me that one, make some noise. You ready? You go. I just say it's all about finding all that smell, that's why I'm in the weather like a lot of you better not do that. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Let's see. Yeah. What do you guys think of the show so far? What do you think? So here's the question. Do they want